Okay guys, this is the review part of this unboxing. Just a quick recap, it's a UV flashlight from a company called Dark Dawn. Power button here, lights up green, lights up red when charging. Here's the port for the USB-C. It does have, the end here does unscrew. It's got a rechargeable battery inside, so that's what it's using. The body of the flashlight is metal, feels solid. So let's get into the review part. I've already done a little bit of curing with it, as you can see. We're just going to keep going. The body does have a more precision beam on it for the telescoping part. We're just going to add some more. Sorry guys, this isn't a professional video, so there probably will be mistakes. Cures quick, does what it's supposed to. I will leave a link in the description where you can get one of these. It's a 2-pack for like $20. Definitely recommend it if you need one and you're tired of using batteries like me. This is what I was using before, constantly changing batteries. This one, definitely recommend. Thanks for watching.